everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I went to Goodwill and got some stuff, and here's what I got. So for the first item I got for my mom because she needed a new one, and I got her this little cute whisk broom for only $2.49. So I'm going to give this to her this weekend when I go up north. The next item I got her is actually one of her favorite movies of all time, which is Something's Gotta Give, and I only paid $1.99 for this. So I thought it was a good idea because she always talks about this movie and quotes this movie, so I'm like, you know what? I'm going to buy it for you so you can watch it now that you're retired. The next item I have is this wine container I got for $1.99, and these are really good when you have a lot of excess candles for either tea light candles or just the stick candles. So for my next item, I bought this glass jar with some flowers in it. What I'm probably going to end up doing is taking these proportions out and putting them in own little jars so I can use them more efficiently. Alright, my next item was my most expensive item that I bought, and it's some bath oil. I'm probably going to use this before I do any ritual and stuff, and it's $4.99, so this was the most expensive thing I bought today. And last but not least, I found one of my favorite kind of jars to hold ingredients in. This nice big cork top jar for only $2.99. I love using these for when I have either resin or when I have a big batch of incense that I'm burning. So if you guys didn't know, I actually opened up a Etsy store with my sister, and it's called Naturally Harvested, and we have herbs and a whole bunch of other assortments in that store. So if you want to go check that out, I'll put it in the link down below. Also, I have an Etsy store called Stormwind Creations on Etsy. So currently I'm making these Harry Potter coasters, and if you're interested in buying these, I'll have the link down in the description. Alright everybody, so that was I think a decent Goodwill haul. Thanks for watching this Goodwill haul video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and have a nice day. Bye!